In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 10 of the best natural foods that can help lower creatinine levels quickly and easily. Creatinine is a waste product that comes from the normal wear and tear on muscles, and it's filtered out of the blood by the kidneys. Healthy kidneys filter out creatinine properly, but when kidney function declines, creatinine levels in the blood can rise. An elevated creatinine level is a sign that the kidneys are not working as well as they should be. The good news is that making some simple dietary changes by incorporating more natural, kidney-friendly foods into your diet can really help boost kidney health and lower creatinine levels. These foods help your kidneys do their job more efficiently, so less creatinine builds up in the blood. I'll be sharing my top 10 picks for natural foods that have been shown to reduce creatinine levels and support better kidney function. These are foods that are nutrient-dense and low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, minerals that stressed kidneys have a hard time filtering out. By choosing more of these healthy, kidney-cleansing foods, you can lower your creatinine levels, reduce fluid retention, and prevent further kidney damage. Your kidneys will thank you. I really think you'll find these food suggestions helpful, especially if you've been diagnosed with a kidney issue like chronic kidney disease. This diet can make a big difference in slowing the progression of kidney disease and improving kidney function markers like creatinine. So be sure to watch until the very end, because I'm also going to share details on the number one food on my list that is extremely effective at lowering creatinine levels quickly. This powerful natural remedy has been used for centuries to support kidney health. All right, now let's get right into it and start talking about kidneys and creatinine. Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs that filter waste and excess water from the blood to produce urine. They help remove toxins, regulate fluid levels, control blood pressure, keep electrolyte levels balanced, and make hormones that regulate blood production. So in other words, healthy kidneys are vital to having a healthy body. Each day, the kidneys filter about 120 to 150 quarts of blood to generate 1 to 2 quarts of urine that is excreted. Inside each kidney are nearly 1 million tiny filtration units called nephrons that do the actual filtering. These nephrons filter out urea, salts, and water, but they also filter out important compounds that the body needs like glucose, amino acids, and nutrients. This is where creatinine comes in. Creatinine is a waste product generated from muscle metabolism that the kidneys are supposed to filter out and excrete. Our bodies naturally produce creatinine from muscle activity at a relatively constant rate, so creatinine levels in the blood are a good indicator of how well the kidneys are working. Creatinine itself is not harmful, but if the kidneys are damaged and can't adequately filter out creatinine, levels in the blood rise. Abnormally high creatinine levels in the blood signal that the kidneys are not working properly. Some common causes of elevated creatinine are kidney disease or damage, which reduces the kidney's filtering capacity, dehydration from not getting enough fluids leading to decreased kidney function, urinary tract obstructions that impair urine flow and put stress on the kidneys, severe muscle damage that can cause a temporary spike in creatinine, medications like NSAIDs and chemotherapy that can affect kidney function, and older age since kidney function naturally declines. High creatinine levels indicate impaired kidney function, but can also lead to some dangerous complications like fluid retention and swelling from waste buildup that causes swelling in hands and feet, hypertension as toxins in the blood cause increased blood pressure, bone disease because the kidneys help regulate calcium and vitamin D, anemia since the kidneys make a hormone needed for red blood cell production, and uremia where waste product buildup can progress to complete kidney failure. In summary, the kidneys filter creatinine from the bloodstream, and creatinine levels assess how well the kidneys are working. Declining creatinine filtration by the kidneys causes creatinine to accumulate in the blood, and chronically high creatinine has serious health consequences. Lowering creatinine levels can help prevent further kidney damage and improve health. Okay, now let's get into the top 10 natural foods to lower creatinine levels fast. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries top the list of kidney-cleansing foods because they are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These antioxidants give blueberries their deep blue-purple color and provide powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that protect the kidneys. Blueberries help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on kidney cells, while increasing nitric oxide production to improve kidney blood flow and function. This leads to better creatinine excretion. In one study, participants with chronic kidney disease who ate 3-4 cups of blueberries daily for 8 weeks had significantly decreased creatinine levels compared to the control group. The phytochemicals in blueberries support the kidneys through multiple pathways. Add fresh or frozen blueberries to cereal, yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a delicious kidney detox snack or meal. Number 2. Apples. Apples are a super healthy fruit choice for supporting kidney function. They contain a flavonoid antioxidant called quercetin that has been shown in studies to reduce kidney inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage. The high fiber content of apples can also help lower creatinine levels. Fiber decreases absorption of toxins in the gut before they even reach the kidneys. This reduces the filtering burden on the kidneys. Apples are also packed with vitamin C, another nutrient that reduces inflammation and oxidation from free radicals. Enjoy apples whole, sliced with peanut butter, baked into oatmeal, or blended into smoothies. Just be sure to keep the skin on to get the most nutritional benefits. Number 3. Egg whites. Egg whites provide an excellent source of high-quality protein that is easy on the kidneys. Many forms of protein like red meat put a lot of strain on the kidneys to metabolize and excrete the waste products. Egg whites contain less phosphorus, potassium, and sodium compared to whole eggs or meat proteins. Choosing more plant-based proteins like egg whites helps reduce waste accumulation while still giving your body the protein it needs. The probiotic content of eggs also supports healthy gut bacteria, which improves digestion and immunity. This takes further stress off of the hard-working kidneys. For a quick kidney-friendly breakfast, try egg white omelets filled with veggies or some hard-boiled egg whites on the go. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy green veggies like spinach, kale, arugula, and lettuce are extremely nourishing for the kidneys. They pack anti-inflammatory compounds like lutein, camphorol, nitrates, and folate to protect kidney cells. Leafy greens are very low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus too, so they don't overload the kidneys with difficult minerals to filter. The fiber and water content in greens helps flush out your system and keep creatinine waste moving. Top salads with nutrient-dense leafy greens daily, or add them to green smoothies and juices for better kidney function and lower creatinine levels. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is an amazing superfood spice that boosts cardiovascular health and fights inflammation, both beneficial effects for the kidneys. Garlic contains antioxidants like allicin, quercetin, and organosulfur compounds that reduce free radical damage in kidneys to improve creatinine clearance. Studies show garlic also helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol while thinning the blood slightly, taking pressure off the kidneys. It has mild diuretic effects to reduce fluid retention too. Add crushed raw garlic to dressings, sauces, and soups, or utilize garlic powder liberally to amplify the flavor and nutrition of most savory dishes. 6. Berries. All types of berries are fantastic for kidney health, including strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, cranberries, and cherries. They supply protective plant nutrients called anthocyanins, L-glutanins, and resveratrol. Research demonstrates that the anthocyanins in berries decrease inflammation, inhibit oxidative stress and lipid peroxidation in kidney cells, and prevent crystal formation in urine. The water content in fresh berries is also naturally hydrating for the kidneys. Use berries to make antioxidant-rich smoothies, add them fresh on top of oatmeal or yogurt, or make homemade berry sorbets for guilt-free desserts to satisfy your sweet tooth. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, which has been found to improve kidney health markers like creatinine clearance compared to a low-fat diet. The monounsaturated fatty acids and polyphenol antioxidants in olive oil, like oleuropein, reduce kidney inflammation to optimize function. Olive oil also increases good HDL cholesterol while lowering triglycerides in the blood. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over salads and veggies instead of cream-based dressings. Use it to sauté or roast foods at low heat, or incorporate it into homemade hummus, pesto, or salad dressings to reap the kidney benefits. Number 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower deserves a spotlight for being one of the best kidney-friendly vegetables. It packs anti-inflammatory nutrients and fiber while being very low in minerals that tax the kidneys. Phytochemicals like sinigrin and gluconastertian in cauliflower boost antioxidant levels to fight free radicals in kidney tissue. The high vitamin C content also promotes immune health to prevent kidney infection. Cauliflower can be easily added to soups, stir-fries, rice dishes, and casseroles. Try ricing raw cauliflower as a low-potassium substitute for white rice in meals. Roast cauliflower florets for a tasty side dish your kidneys will thank you for eating. Number 9. Chanca Piedra tea. Chanca Piedra, also known as stonebreaker, is a medicinal herb from the Amazon rainforest that has remarkable effects on kidney health. It contains powerful plant compounds called lignans and phytosterols that relax the kidneys and urinary tract. The anti-inflammatory action helps dissolve kidney stones and crystals to allow them to pass out of the body more easily. This diuretic effect and improved uric acid excretion lowers creatinine levels in the blood. Chanca Piedra also blocks enzymes in the kidneys to prevent future stone formation and mineral crystal buildup. Sipping Chanca Piedra tea regularly helps flush the kidneys and keep creatinine levels low. 10. Cherry juice. Lastly, drinking unsweetened cherry juice made from tart cherries is a delicious way to lower creatinine fast. Tart cherries contain high levels of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin, anthocyanins, and melatonin. In a trial of kidney disease patients, drinking cherry juice for 3 months significantly decreased creatinine levels and improved estimated glomerular filtration rate compared to the control group. The antioxidants in cherry juice scavenge harmful free radicals in kidney tissue while reducing inflammation, fibrosis, and lipid peroxidation. This protects the kidneys and improves their ability to filter out creatinine waste. Focus on finding unsweetened varieties or make your own cherry juice blend at home for the most kidney-healing benefits. There you have it, my top 10 natural foods to lower creatinine levels and get those kidneys working efficiently again. By incorporating more of these super kidney-friendly foods into your diet, you can lower inflammation, reduce fluid retention, and decrease mineral and toxin buildup, all of which helps lower creatinine in the bloodstream. Choose a variety of fresh whole foods that provide antioxidants, fiber, plant protein, healthy fats, and plenty of hydration. Limit sodium, potassium, and phosphorus intake, which strains the kidneys. Avoid overly processed foods and added sugars too. Focus on blueberries, apples, leafy greens, garlic, olive oil, cauliflower, berries, egg whites, cherry juice, and Chanca Piedra tea. These delicious foods will gently cleanse your kidneys and blood of creatinine while providing top-notch nutrition. In addition to eating these kidney detox foods, drink plenty of fluids, especially water, to flush your system. Exercise regularly to maintain muscle mass, since sedentary lifestyles worsen kidney disease. Work on managing conditions like diabetes and hypertension which tax the kidneys. Avoid NSAIDs like ibuprofen that can harm kidneys. And get lab work done routinely to monitor your creatinine levels. By making some simple dietary changes and living an overall healthy lifestyle, you can keep your kidneys in tip-top shape and avoid dangerously high creatinine levels. Your kidneys are too important to ignore. Be proactive with your kidney health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who may be looking for ways to improve their kidney function. Feel free to bookmark my YouTube channel and visit again as I'm frequently posting new videos related to kidney health, nutrition, creatinine levels, and natural wellness. Don't forget the most powerful food I mentioned for lowering creatinine quickly is Chanca Piedra, also called stonebreaker. Chanca Piedra tea has been used traditionally in South America for generations to support healthy kidney and urinary function. The unique nutrients in Chanca Piedra help relax the urinary tract, dissolve mineral deposits and stones, reduce inflammation, and inhibit stone formation. This diuretic effect helps flush out creatinine waste and keep levels low. Chanca Piedra tea is widely available online or at most health food stores. I recommend drinking 1 to 2 cups daily for best effects. Be sure to always consult your doctor before starting any herbal supplements, especially if you have a kidney condition. Thanks again for watching. A healthy diet rich in kidney-cleansing foods can truly make a huge difference in lowering creatinine levels, reducing kidney problems, and improving your quality of life. I wish you the very best on your health journey ahead. See you in the next video.